Yeah, so hey everybody, I just got this package here, so let's look at it. This is a Viltrox adapter for a EF glass to M43, so for the Panasonic and Olympus. So I got some Canon glass here, EF. So let's unbox this. This one works with EF and EFS lenses. Warranty void sticker, nice. I love it. Got this for 80 euros from AliExpress, so hopefully it works. Oh, nice. It has a nice looking packaging. It's a smart choice. Nice. Okay, so there's a little booklet with some crap. Oh, and here's the adapter. I don't know how I will show you it on the body, because I've got only one body. Oh, nice. Oh, it's actually really good quality for the price. This is all metal construction. Wow, I didn't expect it. You've got a nice mount here for your tripod. Seems more sturdy than the camera I'm using it to record this video on. So yeah, that's kind of funny. I don't know what's this one for. Here we have the USB. So you can upgrade the firmware. There's the USB here. I don't know if it comes with a USB in a box. Let's check that out. Probably not though. No, it doesn't. But just from seeing it, it looks like a nice product. So yeah, I'm just gonna slap a 24 to 105 here on this body on the GX80. Well, this will look very funny. God damn. Wow. Okay, so I will be here in a second. Okay, so conclusion. If you have Panasonic or Olympus Micro Four Thirds camera and you've been using Canon or you are still using Canon, maybe for photography, and you are using the Micro Four Thirds for video, I would really suggest this adapter. In terms of autofocus, I don't think it's the best, but the performance of Micro Four Thirds in autofocus isn't the best either, at least in 4K. So there are some downsides, and it's very noisy even when you are using STM lenses because it's not built for them. And I would suggest USM motors more than STM. I think it works a bit better with USM motors. As you saw, when I was trying to use the stabilization on the Canon 24-105 f4L lens, which has stabilization built in, when I turned it off and was using the built-in stabilization, the IBIS, in my GX80, the footage was much smoother, and I don't know why, because it should have double stabilization, but it looks worse when you are using the double stabilization. So there may be some delay, or I'm not really sure what's the problem, but it looks worse with the stabilization turned on in the lens. At least with my lens. So yeah, that's about the conclusion for this. I really like that you can do this, and yeah, I've managed to get some problems with the aperture. You may need to turn off and turn on the camera again to get real aperture readings, and you can lower or higher the aperture, but it's really not a huge deal, and I think it's a great option if you have a lot of Canon glass. So if you don't want to spend all your money on Micro Four Thirds lenses, and maybe you are already using some Canon glass or maybe Nikon, I think this adapter, there is a Nikon version, I'm pretty sure. Not sure how it works though, so I will speak for Canon only. So if you have some Canon lenses lying around, or now they are cheaper because many people switched to mirrorless systems and now they are selling EF glass, I think it's a very good option. You can get some good looking glass, and I think more exciting and faster glass than you can get on a Micro Four Thirds system. Just be careful with the crop factor because it's 2 times, and if you are using full frame lenses you will only get some telephoto lenses here, which is quite a shame, but you can use APS-C sized lenses. Just be careful with the original Canon lenses, but other companies like Tamron, I'm pretty sure they work perfectly fine. Maybe even Canon, but I don't have any Canon APS-C lenses right now, so yeah. Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it or it gave you something. So yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you want other content about this adapter or the GX80, leave it down below. Thanks.